Hello. This is a reading for Virgos. Virgos. For the upcoming week, let's take a look at your energy. An energy check. Like a temperature check. Let us see what trends are generating in your collective's aura. Also going to take a look at your environment too. Let's see what are the vibrations that you should both tap into and as a collective exit out of. See what energies you should be tapping into, Virgos. Let's check it out. I'll pull a column first for you and then for your environment. This is for you. Prince of Wands. Princess of Wands. Directed energy and wild energy. Hangman. The Empress. Five of Pentacles. Temperance. Interesting. Let's go into your environment. The Princess of Cups. I only laugh because the princess is, as I may have mentioned, the princess energies are the wild energies here in this deck. Obviously, in Princess of Wands, this energy is a little savage. This is savage energy, but it's nice energy. I mean, it's not bad energy. It's just that this is a princess who won't be told she can't do anything or be told what to do, how to do it. And at the same point, while she goes out to set out to accomplish what she wants, you know, she may raise quite a wake of destruction in her path, right? Her whole thing is she's going to push forward no matter what. While this princess is someone who is also a wild energy, but she enjoys the ride. So whatever is being thrown at her, she just bounces around with it. And I only laugh because with the Five of Swords here, it's like one energy is coming up friction, and then this one just literally glides right over it. I mean, it doesn't matter what's being thrown, what kind of waves, how big. That energy will just sail right over it and continue. King of Wands. Getting a lot of fire cards here. The Moon. High Priestess and Seven of Swords. Yeah, even though we have the Five of Swords here and the Seven of Swords, literally with these energies alone in your environment, I don't really see it making any dent. Well, maybe somewhat of a dent. We'll see how they're aspected. Could just be that you're delayed. Because this Knight energy, Prince of Wands, is more cautious than our princess. As I said, she's wild. She'll do whatever she wants to do for her gain. This one's more cautious. As cautious as a Wand's energy could be. But it could be that you just have to hold back. Or your plans are delayed. That's what that could be overall. I'm going to go and throw our clarifier card on this, Virgo. Let us see about the Prince of Wands. Prince of Wands, not clarify, gets an additional energy. Like adding words to a sentence. Prince of Wands gets the Tower. Oh, I have to clarify that Tower now. Tower clarified 7. 7 of Vessels. Literally, it's complicated. I'm going to put additional energy on that whole duo. 7 of Wands. 7s are complicated. It's something you've narrowed it down. Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Princess of Wands gets a 10 of Wands. I'm going to see how that 10 of Wands is aspected, even though I think with a princess there, princess can shoulder that. 4 of Vessels. Something was neglected in the past. Empress clarified. 3 of coin. Hangman gets 7 of swords. Am I going to get all the 7s today? I already have 7s. I have 2 7 of swords. I have everything but a 7 of pentacles. 7 of swords clarified. Let's get the 7 of swords clarified. A past issue. Let's get one more energy on that. 9 of coin. I'm just going to see if that 9 of coin is badly afflicted. Not exactly. Taking your time to think about things. Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles gets a present card. A timing card. The Moon. I'm going to throw one card on the Moon. Well, we'll leave that as an acknowledgement. Oh, something you're upset about, some of you in the collective. It's a shame for the Moon to be badly aspected like that with emotion. I'm going to throw one more card. The Star. Let me see how the Star is aspected. 8 of Wands. Well, you're moving forward anyway. Temperance gets 10 of coin. Put one more on that. 9 of Vessels. That looks good. 5 of Swords gets 8 of Vessels. I'm curious about the 8 of Cups. Let's see. Strength. I bet a past person is coming back, or a past issue. Put one more energy on that. 6 of Wands, you're getting an achievement, a chance actually. May not even be a person. Chance in general. So a King of Wands energy clarified. Not clarified, added. Chariot. High Priestess, an energy added to that. 10 of Cups. Oh, you have some nice energies here despite this kind of heartbreak things you have here. You have some nice gains too. Put one more on my High Priestess and 10 of Cups. 6 of Swords. But some of you are coming out of a difficult situation. Princess of Cups gets the Hierophant. Put one more on that. 2 of Pentacles. Let me see how that is aspected. Judgment. The Moon. 2 want to come out. The Moon gets the Sun. Sun and Ace of Wands. That almost matches our Moon that I have under a 5 of Cups, or 5 of Pentacles. There is a 5 of Cups there too. Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the Moon, the Star. And I have Page of Coin, 4 hours, Seven of Swords. Put one more on that. A Queen of Coin. I'm going to clarify that Queen. Ouch. For second, Five of Coin. Now I have to go and clarify that Page. Well, so Virgos, the energy I have here, should I get into the gains first? You have past people here. It feels literally like you, some of you, at least the energy that I'm picking up here, you closed something out. You closed something out, or are closing something out. Our wild energy. Accompanied by a past timing card and Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands is clarified by a Four of Vessels. Now this meaning can go either one of two ways, Virgos. Either now you could finally start working on the issues you couldn't before because you had other things on your plate, other painful things on your plate. I have some painful cards, as I mentioned here. But one meaning of this could be that now finally you can go and start addressing the mountain of work that has accumulated while you were unable to care for them for whatever reason. Whatever past issues, work, items, itinerary, what have you, accumulated that you weren't able to address, now you are. You're getting on top of things. That's the energy here. On that subject of getting on top of things, our other fire energy. Well, it's not our other fire energy. We also have a King of Wands. Prince of Wands here, accompanied by Seven of Wands in the Tower. This is literally like narrowing down your focus. Or should I say you were forced? Perhaps you were forced to narrow down your focus. I don't really think it's forced though, since we have the Seven of Wands here. And it's in the primary energies here are all fire. It's a dismantling and a growth, but it's calculated. Especially as I mentioned before, this Prince of Wands energy, it's a calculating energy. That's what it is. And with the Queen, excuse me, with the Seven of Vessels here, it literally is like before there were too many options or ways of doing things, and now you're focused. Or you will be focused. You're narrowing that focus down into what exactly will you go after and tackle one by one. On that subject of what you will tackle one by one. Again, we have another court card, King of Wands, Virgos. The Chariot is accompanied by the Chariot. No lack of effort is There's no lack of effort. I mean, you could go and put in 5,000% to steamroll to where you need to be in the length of time you need to be. It's trend 1. Before I get into the gains, I guess I'll address, there's a past person, past issue that I feel for some of you is dragging you down. I almost want to say someone stole something from you. I guess in some energy they did. One moment, I got like a bit of wax on my card. Of course I have everything on my cards. Cat paw prints. I have wax. There we go. Like, why does it feel waxy on the back? Here we go. So our 7 of Swords, accompanied by a Prince of Cups, rather, well, whatever, blah. Well, if you want to buy me a coffee, you can. If you'd like to treat me, the link is in the description box. A page of coin. That's what this energy is. They're literally too, it's like the sort of actions you put into things and how they result from that. And this 4 of Swords energy is slightly different here in this deck. First step of anything is mental thought, right? Whether it's intentional or not intentional, just like we don't have to think I'm going to lift up my feet to go, or my left foot to go and take that to walk. You just do it automatically. Just a nod to that. The first step to action is thought, pre-thought. And meanwhile, our Queen of Pentacle energy is clarified by a 5 of coin, our second 5 of coin. So someone took advantage of you. And it feels like there could be a possibility of that person coming back. And you wondering what to do about that issue with that person. This is our second 5 of coin, pentacles, whatever you'd like to call it, in your personal energy. It's like you're dealing with the aftermath of how that felt. This is a lousy moon, unfortunately. 5 of Pentacles accompanied by the moon. Moon is clarified by a 5 of Cups. Yeah, that sucks. That is horrible energy here. Especially with Cups, a lousy Cups, clarifying the moon. Your emotions are magnified over the sense of loss. That's what that is. It's not a good moon at all. But there's a gain here. I don't think it's purely to reconnect with whatever made you upset, although I do see that possibility there. I also see that possibility in, I think, 2 other pulls. Yeah, I do. 2 other pulls. There's a gain from this past situation that happened. It may not have to be entirely romantic or anything like that. This could just be being taken advantage of. They said literally it feels like someone robbed you. Both the energies, the one I just spoke about and this one, something was taken. Like physically taken. achievements taken. Something was taken that had a measurable quality. Something was taken in Pentacle energy that had a measurable quality. What was that measurable quality at a high level, and doing just this general energy check? I don't know, but it had a measurable quality to it. Now I forget where my Nine of Pentacles came from. I'm pretty sure my Nine of Pentacles did not come from here. They had the moon and this and that, yes. Okay. Let us go on to a little bit more of this acknowledgement. So our second Seven of Swords. So you've been thinking about this situation, and thinking no less in Queen of Swords energy. I do feel the person that put you in this energy is working their way back. Feels like the person who robbed you, take that as it resonates, is working their way back. Five of Swords can also speak to theft. It could. It's obviously devious nature, devious actions. Either way, you are getting success. There is success in this. I don't know if it's the acknowledgement. It feels like with this Eight of Vessels here clarified by this, the Strength. Is this literally you accepting what happened and moving on? Based on the other energies that I have here, Virgos, I'm not inclined to think so. I'm inclined to think that what caused this situation is coming back. This is coming back in in Eight of Vessels mode. Someone is coming back, and somehow you're getting just an acknowledgement of your right. You're getting some sort of victory on the person coming back. That is the end of that trend. Now our good news, Virgos, our really good news. So I see collaboration. I see this going both work and personal interaction. It's just a general nod to the sociability that is coming into your energy. With High Priestess, accompanied by Ten of Cups, accompanied by Six of Swords. So I do have that acknowledgement, as I mentioned, of some kind of, there are big changes that are happening, are going to happen, have happened, and you're clearing that out, clearing out that mess. But in doing so, you are creating a brand new chapter for yourself. I feel that isn't even fully defined yet. It is developing, Virgos. I did say it was developing, right? The moon, the sun, the Ace of Wands. Oh, it's like literally the building blocks of creation, Virgo. This is a great pull. This is an electrifying pull right here. This energy in my hands. Oh, this is more than the stuff that dreams are made of. This is what planets are made out of. Planets that have the sunshine and the wonderful breeze and the animals running around. the water dancing off the light, or excuse me, the light dancing off the water. You know, those sorts of things. The magic in both the big and little things. You know, classically too, I can make a nod to, this could refer as well to a life partnership with the moon and the sun here, together with the Ace of Wands. This could reference romance. This definitely references life. You're getting a brand new chapter. This is like fabulous energy right there. Did mention before that our Princess of Cups just glides whatever is thrown at her and continues on her way. I have the Princess of Cups together with the Proclaimer. Proclaimer is Hierophant energy. You're being recognized in some sort of partnership. Now, is this partnership relating to work? Is it romantic? Two of coin clarified by Judgment. What exactly have you been wishing for, Virgos? Because we do have the institution here. This could refer to marriage. This could refer to a stable job, acknowledgement in career. What exactly have you been wishing for? That's the answer of what's building, but this is the acknowledgement that as you just glided over all that, use that word again, excuse my language, crap, and you still come out in excellent energy. You haven't allowed yourself to go down into low vibrations. The acknowledgement is there, but you haven't allowed yourself to stay in there. I have Temperance here with 10 of coin, 9 of vessels, 9 of coin. As you're closing out the spread that we had here, it's a spread of prosperity coming. It's like you don't even have to fight for it. You just have to continue going forward. That's all. It's all you need to do. Virgos, let me know if these messages resonate. If they do, like or leave a comment. If you would like to see more content from me, subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much for the support of the channel. Virgos, if you'd like, you can treat me to a coffee. There's a link to buy me a coffee if you're so inclined. That's in the description. Virgos, I will be back with another video. And until then, I wish everybody a beautiful day. Bye-bye.